it can stand alone, it can occur alone, it can give meaning by itself, because it cannot give meaning by itself until attached with the pre or other morpheme. Dear viewers, I hope everyone is doing well and feeling satisfactory. It's a great to connect with you all again. Welcome back to our social media clip. It's wonderful to have you here with us. So today I am going to share a very important and interesting topic, morphology. It's so captivating. You will be amazed how words are built and how they reveal about our language. So before we are going to start morphology, let's quickly understand what is literature and linguistics. Linguistics including sound, structures, words. In literature, including written words, books, novel, poem, etc. So now explore morphology, the key part of linguistics. Before we move on to morphology, let's quickly understand what is hierarchy of grammatical unit. What is hierarchy of grammatical unit? Hierarchy of grammatical unit, the arrangement of some element according to their ranks and their. So first we should know that what is the basic work of hierarchy of grammatical unit. For example, sentence, class, phrase, morpheme, word. Sentence consists class, class consists phrase, phrase consists morpheme, morpheme combined together make a phrase, and phrase combined together make a class, and class combined together make a sentence. So let's move on to morphology. What is morphology? As I said earlier, as we discussed, that morphology is the study of linguistics, or the key part of linguistics. It is usually discuss root and morpheme. So also you can define easily that morphology examine how words are built. So what is root and what is morpheme? Root is the base form of the word or pure form of the word. For example, play, walk, run. These are the root form of the word. What is morpheme? The smallest meaningful unit is called morpheme. One word may have one morpheme, one word may have more than morpheme. So morpheme further classified and divided into two parts. The first one is free morpheme, the second one is bound morpheme. What is free morpheme? What is bound morpheme? Free morpheme, it is free. It gives us clear meaning. It has clear meaning. It can stand alone, it can occur alone, it can give meaning by itself because it's free. So free morpheme, for example, I will give you one example. For example, play. Play is a free morpheme. Why? Because it gives us meaning by itself. So the next one is ER. These two letters also we call bound morpheme. So whenever we do not attach with the free morpheme, it doesn't give meaning by itself. So free morpheme are those morpheme which doesn't need to be attached with other morpheme to convey meaning. So if we talk about bound morpheme, it cannot stand alone, it cannot occur alone, it cannot give meaning by itself until attached with the pre or other morpheme. Then it will give us meaning. So whenever we combine these words, play and we put ER, so it becomes a player. So that's why bound morpheme it cannot gives meaning by itself. So let's move on to free morpheme. So free morpheme is, I said, that free morpheme it can stand alone, it can give meaning by itself. So free morpheme further classified or divided into two parts. The first one is lexical morpheme, the second one is functional or grammatical morpheme. What is lexical morpheme? It has clear meaning. They usually open class. So in parts of speech we have got 8 parts of speech. And some of the people they thought they they just consider that we have nine parts of speech. We have got 9 parts of speech. So basically, we have got 8 parts of speech. They divide it into 2 parts. The first one is closed class, and the second one is open class. So lexical morpheme, they usually are an open class. They change their form. So for example, verb, adverb, adjective. So these are open class. For example, play, or watch, quickly, or quick. So these are open class. So if we talk about functional morpheme, or also you can call grammatical morpheme. Functional or grammatical morpheme, they usually show the grammatical relationship. For example, they usually close class, you can also consider. For example, determiner, this and that, article, as I said, article also include an adjective into parts of speech. It has own function. So functional morpheme, they also, like you can say that we have pronoun, like we have you, we, these are pronoun. Also you can add conjunction like but, and. So we include in a functional or grammatical morpheme. Why we call functional or grammatical morpheme? They usually show the grammatical relationship pronoun. So let's move on to bound morpheme. Bound morpheme, as I said, it cannot give meaning by itself until attached with a free morpheme. So bound morpheme usually affixes. What is it? Affixes? Let's quick touch. Affixes, something that attached with root words is called affixes. So we have got 4 types of affixes. The first one is prefix. The second one is suffix. The third one is infix. The fourth one is circumfix. What is prefix? Prefix combination of 2 words. Pre mean before or at the start, and fix mean attach or to connect up. So the use of the word at the start is called prefix. For example, happy, unhappy, write, rewrite, use, reuse. So these are prefix. So the next one, suffix. Suffix also combination of 2 words. Sub mean after, and fix mean connect or use. Or use or connect after the words is called suffix. For example, play, played, like happy, happiness. So these are suffix. So the next one is infix. Infix combination of 2 words. In mean between or in the middle, and fix mean attach. Something that attached in the center or in the middle we call infixer. So they usually change the irregular noun.